All right, so this says it's a linear equation. So that means that both y and x and y are both going to go by this up or down by the same amount each time, right? We remember, look at our old friend y equals mx plus b, right? M is the slope or the rate of change. B is the y-intercept, right? Which means where it crosses the y-axis. So here's a little trick for you, right? If you have a table and it has x equals 0 anywhere, if you have 0 in the x, this right here is the y-intercept, right? This is the y-intercept. Because if you think about it, wherever x is 0, right, that's here, right? This is the x, this is the y, right? So when x is 0, here's -3, right? That's what it crosses. That's the y-intercept. So right off the bat, you know it's going to be either this one or this one. So you can cross out this or this. Now you already have a 50% chance just by looking at that, right? Now, you want to look at the slope or the rate of change, right? So if you remember how to find slope, that's slope, rise over run, or y over x, right? So you want to see what the change is here, right? For every x, right? X is going up once. For every change in x goes up once. This goes up by 0.5. Don't get confused. 3, 2.52. It looks like it's going down, but those are negative numbers, right? So they're going up. So that means 0.5, right, on the y, because we say y over x. 0.5 over 1, right, which is just 0.5, which is just 1/2. So the slope is 1/2. So that means this. This right here would be a negative if it was going down, which is not. It's positive. So it's going to be this one, right? And just look at what that looks like, right? If you graph it here, x and y, right? So if you move over to x to number 1, then go down to -2.5, you're right around here, right? 2, -2 here, right? 3, -1.5. So you end up with a line, something like this, right? That's a positive slope. So if you just looked at it, you can see it's a positive slope, so you know that's why it had to be this one.